Good day, everyone. My name is Marlo M. Kawadi from BPED F1. Childhood's best moments are when happiness is all that matters and playtime is all you think about. Now we're discussing my personal growth. Over time, I've experienced substantial physical development and acquired valuable life experiences, fostering mental and physical maturity.
She gon' leave, and I'm at the bottom, now she gon' bend up, baby. Demais,
Discovery has helped physical and development.
she gon' leave, and I'm at the bottom, now she gon' bend up,
I've
baby.
noticed remarkable progress in physical and mental health.
Demais,
Physical and mental growth are ongoing and
she gon' leave, and I'm at the bottom, now she gon' bend up, baby.
now I realize that life was better when I was younger. Like, happiness was my only concern. But now I've awake to the harsh reality of adulthood. Growing up comes with struggles. Then my worst experiences include betrayal by close friends, family and financial problems, and losing my beloved grandmother. But then, despite being young, these challenges forced me to become strong. People have expectations, but they don't see the exhaustion. Still, I know these struggles make me stronger, make us stronger. I've come to realize that life challenges can be overwhelming, but surrendering isn't an option, as resilience is essential to human existence. And this photo captures one of life's most precious moments. Meeting these incredible individuals has enriched my life, and I'm forever grateful for their presence. This is the best moment ever. So grateful to have amazing people in my life. This inspire me to keep moving forward.
So ikaw na lang magpakamot na ang atong mga graduate karon og senior
I'm
high.
super lucky to have these amazing people in my life. And this is the best experience that I had. And that's all. Thank
So
you.
ikaw na lang magpakamot na ang atong mga graduate